How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you, is WeatherTech actually worth the price it is? Because again, WeatherTech, if you don't know what it is, it's like a car brand, like car protection, and it's very expensive. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out tremendously, and guess what? It is free and it benefits you and me. Go for it. Alright, so WeatherTech. WeatherTech is a brand of, again, car protectants that like pretty much custom fit your car. I have in my car, for example, I have the floor mats of WeatherTech, just so you guys can actually see that it's WeatherTech. I'm not gonna lie, it's expensive, but it's extremely durable and it's impossible to break. It's completely 100% genuine. Just to show you how perfectly like fit of a glove it is, I wanna show right now. Put it in, seat's all the way back, seat forward, and there you go, it's installed. As you can see, it's fitted custom for the Explorer that I have. Yeah, a little bit of marks again. No car's perfect, but yeah, it does a complete seal. It even goes over the little leg protector there. And it is, again, it is tough stuff. And again, it holds water, nothing leaks through. It's perfect. So, and on the driver's side, same way. For the driver one though, you get that little clip for the Explorer because that's what the Explorer has. I also have in the back seat one that fits like a glove too. It goes all around the perimeter. If you can see that there. Before we go any further, I just want to make something clear. I am not sponsored by WeatherTech. I just want to make that clear. Alright, so let's say that you want something like this that protects your brand new truck, car, whatever you have, and you don't have that much money. Well, I used to have a rip-off brand of something like this. It's literally a very flat pad. It has the curves and everything like this, but instead of it being so hard and like durable, it was very flexy and flim. So with that being said, there's also like this lines that were all around it, and you can get like heavy duty scissors and you can cut it yourself and custom fit it any way you want. But since I had that, since it was very thin and since you can cut it, after wear and tear on use, around right here on it, it began to open up on its own, and it just let water in, mud in, and then so underneath my driver's spot where the rug is, there's a little bit of a mud spot that's stained because of that. But this, yeah, completely, it's impenetrable pretty much. So, is WeatherTech worth it? I think so. Due to the fact of it's pricey, but for me, I can pretty much afford it, so if I can afford it, you can pretty much afford it. But again, if you don't want all that special tech stuff, go to a simple Walmart. You'll see what I'm talking about. Just go to the car section, get the mats, cut them out, do it yourself, and it still fits like a glove. Alright guys, that's the video. Make sure you leave in the comments below and tell me if you think WeatherTech is all that and if it's actually worth it. But as always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.